In this video, I will be showing you how to create QR code for wedding photos. In fact, I'll be showing you two ways how you can do this for completely free. The first option I would recommend that you give a try is Google Drive. And with Google Drive, all you'll need to do is go onto drive.google.com. Once on drive.google.com, and by the way, this is possible on mobile and also any other device. Once you're on drive.google.com, you're going to tap on New in the top left-hand corner. From here, if you have the wedding photos already in a file, you could tap on File, Upload, or Folder Upload better yet, and you could upload the entire folder. If you don't have them in a folder, what you'll need to do is tap on New, and from there, you're going to select File Upload. After selecting File Upload, from there, you can search for the photos and you could quickly select them. Then you'll tap on Open and you will realize that they have loaded up on your Google Drive right here. Now, once that has been done, what you'll need to do next, you're going to tap on New once more in the top left-hand corner and you're going to select New Folder. And from here, you can give this folder a name, for example, Wedding. Then you'll tap on Create. And you can see a folder has been created right here. Once the folder has been created, you'll simply drag and place the photos that you have uploaded. So all you'll need to do is simply drag and place them. Now after you have added the photos to the folder, all you'll need to do now, you're going to tap on the share icon. So you can either tap on the share icon from the top right here, or you can simply tap on the three dots in line with the folder. Then you're going to hover over share and I want you to tap on share. From here, right where you see restricted, you're going to tap right there and you're going to select anyone with the link. This means that persons will not only be able to view the photos, but they'll also be able to save them on their device. Then you're going to tap on copy link. After you have copied the link, I want you to open a new tab and you're going to go, after you have opened a new tab, I want you to type in MeQR, and this will be the platform that we'll be using, and you can use it for completely free. All you'll need to do is simply tap right where you see URL, and you're going to tap right there, and you're going to paste in the link that you have copied. After you have pasted in the link, you're going to tap on Customize and Download QR, and from there you can customize it, so you could choose a frame. And you can also scroll down, and if you'd like to add any other features, for example, you can change the background image and so on. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on Download QR code. After you have tapped on Download QR code, you can see my QR code has been downloaded right here, and you will be able to share it. Another option that you could also do is you could go directly to meqr.com. And from there, you could select images right here. After selecting images, you could tap on Upload Image. And for example, you could select all of the wedding photos, then tap on Open. And from there, you could generate a QR code. So it is up to you. You can select either one of these options. Thank you for watching.